Guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching Gizmo Obsession. Today I'll be unboxing LS2 helmet. The model is Thunder Plus FF805. Okay, if you see, this has the latest certification ECE 22.06. Okay, so this is the pricing details. It also comes with a 5-year warranty if you see. So let's quickly unbox and see what's inside. Okay, this is the beautiful bag it comes in, and we have some accessories. Okay, so let's put this box aside. This is the accessories. Okay, anti-fog pin lock system. Okay, so this is how it comes. This is the cushion to put on your neck. In case you feel the helmet is heavy, you can wrap it around your neck, and you have to inflate this. Okay, so that will make the helmet much more lighter. These are the 10 tear-offs. These are mostly used in racing. What happens, you have to put this on the helmet and just tear it off. One Allen key. So that's about it. Oh, let's see the beast inside this beautiful bag. Okay. Again, the helmet also comes in another protected bag. This is the extra visor. This is the black one. The transparent comes with the helmet itself by default. This visor is of very good quality. Here it is, the beautiful beast. Okay, see the quality. It is pretty light. The build quality is awesome. I love this vents here. This is the brand from LS2. This is made out of carbon fiber. Okay, and to tell you the exact specification, it is only 1250 grams. So have a closer look. The cushion, everything is very premium on this. So I have some cinematics. So this is the extra visor. This is the black tinted visor, and the one that you see here on this one is the transparent one. Okay, so I'll be using this dark visor. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks awesome. I'm just excited to put this on my head and get going. Okay, so here is a closer look of this helmet. Okay, this is how it looks. The build quality, everything is very premium on this. Okay, I've changed the visor to the black one. This looks awesome. Okay, so this is the lock mechanism to lift the visor. To lift the visor, you will have to press this button and then lift the visor. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, the build quality is awesome. The cushion that you see is pretty good inside. Okay, and you have the D-ring lock. This is the best locking mechanism on the helmet. These are the pull tabs. You just have to pull it out in case of any emergency. Okay, so if you see the back, these have the vents. The model is LS2 Thunder Carbon. Okay, and if you see, the weight is exactly 1250 grams. This is my Cardo intercom. Okay, which I have fixed. I will be sharing the unboxing video of this intercom shortly. If you see, I have put the speakers inside. Okay, that is visible. Okay, here this one speaker, and the other one is here. These are JBL speaker. The sound quality and build is amazing. This mechanism is also metal. It's pure steel. In case you have any queries, please do comment down below. So that's about it, guys. Hope you guys liked my video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment down below for more such videos. Thank you.